Well, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sheep's head fishing's been really good this winter. I'm curious to see if they're still around. Went out in the middle of that rainstorm yesterday and got a bunch of mud crabs. So we have no excuse not to catch any fish today. Let's go ahead and get started.
We're off kilter, just a little off kilter. We're going fishing. Let's go.
Just hit high tide, so we may have to wait for the tide to turn to get a good bite. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. Black drum. $17.5. I'm gonna keep that one. Looks like there's some fish down there. All right, it's been pretty slow starting out, but starting to get some bites. Didn't know if that rain was gonna mess everything up. It rained a couple inches yesterday. And you never know what that'll do to the fishing. So, gotta come out here and figure it out. Tide's just started falling now, and it's gonna fall really fast today. We got a new moon last night. This was a flood tide today, and this water's gonna get out of here in a hurry. Dang it, man. Got you that time. Sure. There he is. Gotcha. What time is it? 12 o'clock. I've been here most of the day. This one 19.25. Yeah, we'll keep that one too. It's been slow today, guys. We're putting fish in the box. Okay. New spot, new fish. Wind's finally calmed down enough I could move over here. Get on the good side of the falling tide here. And we're coming into Solunar on a new moon, which means the fish should be fired up. So we'll see if that rings true. Sun's finally come out. Things are looking better. Well, it's black drum today. Hoping to see some sheep's head. That's probably a keeper, but I'll let him go. Gotcha. There's a bunch of these guys down there stealing my bait. I gotcha. And that'll keep. Where have you been all day, guy? A little over 12 1/4. All right, that's gonna do it for me today. I just had to catch one more. Pretty slow one out here today, but it's just nice to be out here. A beautiful day today, and you know, I'm certain it was that rain that pushed those fish out of here. I mean, they were in here for several weeks leading up to this week, and we got a couple inches of rain yesterday, but they'll be back. And you know, it's these really slow days that help us appreciate those days when the fishing is just on fire. So Anyway, the fish will be back, and so will I. Hope to see you guys then.